Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to look at the Lewis structure of HClO molecule. It's a chemical formula of hypochlorous acid. And to determine its Lewis structure, we will count up the total number of valence electrons. We have one hydrogen atom that has one valence electron, one chlorine atom that has 7 valence electrons, and one oxygen atom that has 6 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 14 valence electrons. For the arrangement of atoms, we will put oxygen in the center as it is the least electronegative element, and then we will place chlorine atom adjacent to it. Now hypochlorous acid is an example of oxoacid of chlorine, and whenever we see hydrogen connected to any oxygen ion, it will be connected to oxygen atom. So let us do that. For the arrangement of electrons, we will put electrons in between each atom for bond formation. Now chlorine here needs 6 more electrons for complete octet and oxygen needs about 4 more. And by assigning them the electrons, we have used all our valence electrons and every atom has complete outer shell in this Lewis structure. So let us calculate the formal charge of each atom just to confirm that this is the best possible Lewis structure. For chlorine, we have 7 valence electrons minus 6 non-bonding electrons minus 2 bonding electrons divided by 2. That will give us a formal charge of 0. For oxygen, we have 6 valence electrons minus 4 non-bonding electrons minus 4 bonding electrons divided by 2. That will give us a formal charge of 0. Thus, each atom present in this structure has 0 formal charge. So, this is the final Lewis structure of hypochlorous acid. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.